Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my third what I got for Christmas video. As always, I will link my other two down below for 2017 and 2018, so you can go watch those after this video. I want to give my normal fair disclaimer of I'm not trying to brag in any way, shape, or form. I am very, very thankful for the things that I received. Christmas is a holiday for giving and receiving and things like that, and just like joy in general. Now behind me I have a box of the stuff that I got, and it's actually Christmas today by the time I'm filming this, but this will probably go up like a day or two after. So I just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and had a great one. Now I will admit that I did get lots of gifts this year. Some of the things were stuff that I bought for myself, but most of it were like gifts. I'm gonna try and go in order and like categorize them like by clothes and like just like in sections, if you know what I'm saying, just to make this video a little bit more organized. So first, starting off with the clothes, I got this adorable Calvin Klein bathrobe. It says it right here in light pink, and it's white and it's so soft, you guys. Like, I've been getting more into skincare and I feel like this would be really good to like put on after a shower. So the next two things are Michael Kors, and this is a plain white tee. I pictured this like kind of like tied up in the front, and it says that in bling lettering right here. I've been really obsessed with Michael Kors lately. And I also got this really cute infinity scarf that says MK all over it. The next thing was this set of hat and gloves that is Nike, and I think this is so cute. It comes with like a little pom-pom and just like really nice for the winter time. Next, I got a like graphic tee that says Nirvana on the front in light pink, and also these adorable Overwatch like Mad Bunny socks. Bunny slippers that my boyfriend got me. I think the last like article of clothing are these socks, which come in a 2-pack. One is like white with these adorable light pink like varsity stripes, and this one's just pink with white hearts polka dotted on them. This next item was a gift that I actually bought myself. I decided to spoil myself for Christmas, so I got these UGG Fluff Yeah slippers. I've wanted these for a while. Ever since I saw them on Alyssa Violet's Instagram, I was absolutely obsessed with them, and I got them in light gray. For jewelry, I got this beautiful bracelet that has like a cross keychain, and it basically like resembles faith. I also got a 4 set of diamond earrings. I think like pretty much the rest of the stuff is like beauty or like skincare, which is the main thing that I like asked for or like wanted. So first I'll do skincare. So this is something that my boyfriend actually got me. So it comes with 3 mini-sized serums, which mini is actually better because of one of the presents that I'll show you guys later. Next thing was this 2-piece set that comes with a facial roller and also a gua sha massager. This next item is a gift that my sister got me, and this is the Evian spray. Now you guys, this just seems so extra to get because it's literally just water. We already know this. The only ingredient is water, but like, I don't know, I've always wanted it. Every time I went to the store, I always looked at it, and I would just never buy it for myself. So I'm so happy that she got me this. The next item was a facial steamer. This I actually picked out in the store. And it basically is like a spa facial treatment for at home, and you're actually supposed to like steam your skin before you do like any kind of mask to open up your pores and stuff like that, just to get like a better effect. So I always wanted to try one of these out. I was actually gonna buy one online like a couple months ago and just never did. So the next couple of items are gonna be from e.l.f. because of an online order that I placed while they were having like their sale. So the first thing is their Jet Set Hydration Kit. This just comes with a bunch of mini travel size things. So there's a moisturizer in there, night creams, a balm, and also a facial cleanser. Mini is better for one of the items that I'm going to be showing you guys. So like I said, there's just going to be like a bunch of e.l.f. things from the online order. I got this cooling like under eye refreshing rollerball. I got a mascara primer, a lip exfoliator in sweet cherry, this eye makeup remover balm. I've never tried this, but I wanted to see how it works, so I got it. The makeup remover face balm, and also an illuminating primer mist. Oh, and there's also these booster drops, which I think Andrew got me. I forgot to mention that I did get 2 lashes from them. I got the style Troublemaker and Drama Queen. The next 2 items were a Garnier like facial mist for hydrating, and also this rose gold peel off mask that Andrew got me as well. I placed a big order on Miss A. If you don't know what that is, it's basically like a website that's like a beauty dollar store. Everything's $1. So I went kind of crazy, and that was another gift that I got for myself. So everything that says like AOA on it, I got. So I had to spend $30 in order to get free shipping. So I got a bunch of like little items. I got the AOA Lip Honey. This is basically like a hydrating lip like serum. It's not a gloss, it's like an oil almost. I also got a Lip Pop lip gloss as well as a brow pencil. I got 2 lash glues from that website. I've never tried actually anything from that brand before, so I just wanted to try them out. I also got a 2 set of brushes. Again, never felt how soft their brushes are. Okay, for $1, like this is better than like Real Techniques in my opinion. Like, this is really good. I also got this like face roller massager. Lastly, from that website, I got a bunch of lashes. You guys, another warning, there are going to be so many lashes in this video. Lashes were like the main #1 thing that I wanted a lot of, just because I've been wearing like only lashes a lot recently, whether they're magnetic. Like I've just like really been like focusing on lashes, like nothing else, like no face makeup, anything. I got a bunch from that website because I've heard really good reviews about them, and especially like for $1, like lashes are usually really expensive. I think there's like 4 or 5 different styles of these. I got a whole bunch of this lash style just because they're all like named with names, and this one has my name. I posted it on my Snapchat because I was honestly so amazed because I can never find my name anywhere. Like if I'm on vacation looking for keychains with my name on it, like they never have it. So for a cheap company to have my name on a box, like I just posted it on Snapchat, and people thought I came out with my own lashes. These are not my lashes, you guys. They did not name this after me, it just has my name on it. So, and I also really like that style as well. I got 3 of these, which are in the style Jessica, and also 3 of the Eladia, which I love this style as well. This is probably my second favorite. So that's all of these. And then the last 2 styles, I got 2 in the style Natalia, and then 2 in the style Alexis. So that already is a lot of lashes. I'm probably gonna just knock out all the lashes now while I already am talking about lashes. So the next pair were this 3 set of Luxe Silk lashes in the style Marquise by Eyler, and this was in my Black Friday haul. So I did get these on Black Friday. So if you watch that video, some of the things in this video might look familiar because they were still for Christmas, even though I might have showed it in the Black Friday haul. The next 2 things were lashes as well. I bought all 4 of these myself as well. So I got 2 of the Kiss magnetic lashes. I've been obsessed with magnetic lashes. I also got 2 pairs of the Pro Magnetic Eyeliner lashes. So this one actually comes with a magnetic eyeliner. So you just put a little bit like a lash glue almost, and just like magnets to it, which I've never tried this one. I've tried the Kiss ones, but not these. This one was another gift from my boyfriend. It was the Ardell like set of lashes. So it comes with 4 styles and also a lash glue and an applicator down here. I got a magnetic lash applicator. So I hate to bore you guys, but there's more lashes. This looks like so much, you guys. Like it is. Like I don't know why I'm saying it looks like it is. Like I said, wanted to stock up on lashes. I'm definitely going to be cleaning out my lash drawer after this. I'm going to be cleaning out in general my makeup collection, so I'm going to be doing an updated video soon after this one. There are 10 lashes, all in the style D304, in the style D302, D305, 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 D302, D301, 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 and D302. These are not in any order. And then I think this is the last pair of lashes, you guys. These Eyler Vegas Nay lashes in the style Platinum Princess. This is what got me into lashes. While we're still on to makeup, part of that BH Cosmetics online order was a HD brow pencil in the shade medium. I also got their Royal Affair 3-piece glitter set that came in a cute little like pouch. Their pressed powder, which I've been running out of, and also a concealer palette. Next thing was this 15 set of eye brushes from the brand Bebe. I'm not sure. I think these are the last 2 makeup items. This is a 3-piece set of liquid eyeshadows from Stila, and this was a Too Faced Better Than Sex lashes and lips gift set. So this comes with like the regular and waterproof mascara and also the lip injection lip gloss. I said that I was gonna go in order, but like the things are like kind of like in the box like with stuff on top of them, so I couldn't really see. I thought I was done with skincare, but there's also a lip mask and also under eye patches. The next 3 things are like scents. So I got a Bath & Body Works Champagne Toast body lotion. In that same scent, I also got I think 5 or 6 of the Wallflower refills for your room. And then from Victoria's Secret, I got a Warm and Cozy body mist as well as the Mango Temptation fragrance. I also got 2 Not Your Mother's hair products. This one's a hairspray and this one's a bodybuilding dry shampoo. These were also a part of my Black Friday hauls. I got a Joy shaving like set. It comes with 1 razor, shaving mousse, and also cartridges. I got a 4-piece set of Essie nail polishes. These are mini. Comes with white, a glitter one, a burgundy one, and also like a gold one. I got 2 64GB memory storage holders. I got a SD card as well as a flash drive. I got a black Apple Watch band because right now I only have a white one. I got this AirPod Essentials like kit. It comes with a clip, a silicone case, and also like a neck wrap. I also got a PS4 controller in a really pretty rose gold color. Thing was this gaming headset. I just asked for like a regular pair of headphones with a mic. I didn't really care what brand. I got a Puma book bag that is black with like a hot pink detailing, and this is like really convenient for AirPods. Like it's the perfect little pouch for that, and it's just a mini book bag, which is perfect. Next was a MacBook case and also a keyboard cover and a really pretty light pink color. I also got 2 Volvo placement cup holder mats. My cup holders get like really dirty. I'm not sure why, but they just do no matter how much I clean them, so I feel like these will really help to keep them clean. I got a black mini fridge. This is the item that I was talking about when I mentioned about how it's good that my skincare items are like mini so they can fit in here, because I'm actually going to use this as a skincare fridge. So that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below something that you're thankful for. Again, you guys, happy holidays, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.